Okay, this is Sunday, June 7th, 2015. I wanted to do a quick video here. The first one I've put up on YouTube. It'll be one of many showing the destruction of these storms throughout the last 2 years that have caused the drought here in California. Now, today, this is a Hurricane Blanca. This began on Thursday as a Category 1 storm. It quickly developed to a Category 4, and it was attacked briefly on yesterday, Saturday, and diminished to a Category 1, and then for some strange reason it redeveloped into a Category 4. And now overnight this storm has been attacked, and we can see where this is occurring. They have there's actually a they've targeted this entire area right here with this hot air, this microwave energy, and it's being beamed right on top of this hurricane. If we look at the pressure charts, there's a high pressure indicated right over here, right on top of this, right next to this low right here, which is about, today it's about around 973 millibar. Yesterday was 952 millibar. But what's also happening is that this channel right here has been built in overnight, this thing here. Now, this hurricane was originally forecast to go right up the spine of Baja. Take that track right up there. Now, they've revised that slightly. It's going to go right to the west. It's going to enter the right up in here, just north of Cabo. But I don't believe any of that's going to happen. The way this is being hit here, this will drift a little bit further north, and then it's going to catch this jet stream flow that they've engineered here overnight. This will blow right over to the east. You watch, folks. This is going to happen. This would have brought a lot of rain to California. Okay, but the name of the game is to keep the rain out of California, and they're going to do that here again. Now, also, yesterday, this was a huge front that was moving towards the west coast. This is also being attacked right here with this very, very dry air indicated here. And now this channel of air has been here for weeks. But since this hurricane has developed, we've had two hurricanes this season, which began on June 1st, I believe, officially. But the hurricanes began on May 27th. And both of them quickly went into went to Category 4 status. And we've had two. There's another disturbance down in the East Pacific, which will probably develop into another hurricane in the next couple of days. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to upload this first video to YouTube, and we'll take it from there. This is very interesting to watch. I've been doing this for 3 years, looking at these satellite images daily, and the California drought is completely manufactured. It's a deliberate, man-made disaster and catastrophe. It's deliberate, and our politicians and the city council people, none of these people are technical. They have no idea what's going on right over their heads. You know, this is a two-part deal. We have the microwave energy attacking these storms, and we have the aerosols, the chemical aerosols that are laid out on the leading edges of these storms to further dry out the atmosphere, so that when these storms enter the area, they will just be sponged up by all the dry air. So I've watched this for 3 years, over almost 4 years actually. Those chemical aerosols lower the relative humidity significantly in advance of any approaching storm. Anyone that tells you that these aerosols are contrails, they're full of crap. They don't know what they're talking about. Contrails are not aerosol. Chemtrails are two different things. And people need to wake up and start paying attention, because I originally, 3 or 4 years ago, 5 years ago, I thought anyone that was talking about chemtrails was a kook, like everybody else, because we all watch TV. But your television set is your worst enemy. It's not your friend. It doesn't tell you the truth. You have to find it yourself. And what we're seeing here in the water vapor maps is you see everything. You can see the dry air downbursts. You can't see this in, in visible light mode. You can't really see it. You can't see what's going on in the infrared mode either. The water vapor map is the fingerprint that tells you what's going on. Okay, so that's that. This drought is being maintained and sustained by the people that run these transmitters and the multi-billion-dollar chemical aerosol / chemtrail program. Okay, and that's that. That's just as simple as that. For 3 years I've been studying this, and I can tell you, we monitor the barometric pressure every day. We monitor the relative humidity, the dew point, and the temperature, and as these satellite maps. And there's absolutely no question that this is ongoing weather modification at the hands of not only the United States, but probably several other countries. I think it's weather warfare, and I think it has to do with the dominance of the dollar worldwide. I think that may have something to do with this. Anyhow, we'll do another one of these later. Thanks for listening.